We all have financial dreams that we want to achieve within a certain time frame. But do we have appropriate investments to achieve them? HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan offers investment plan with multiple fund options to optimize your investment. In this video, let's find out whether this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan help you achieve your financial goals and also give your family the financial protection in your unfortunate absence. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. This HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan is unit-linked non-participating life insurance plan. Today in this video, let's take a look into its features, benefits and also its IRR analysis, by which we would come to know its potential return and also compare it with pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS to see whether this plan help us achieve our financial goals and give the required financial protection to our family. Now let's see the features of this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan. Premium payment can be customized as single, limited or regular depending upon the policyholder's convenience. Flexibility to choose your investment term from 10 to 35 for single pay and 85 minus age at entry for limited regular pay options. Choice of 3 benefit option to suit your requirement, and also there is an optional accidental benefit available. Loyalty additions to enhance your fund value after 10 years. Choose from a range of 10 fund options. Reduced premium allocation charge for higher premium amount. Now let's see the benefits under the HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan. There are 3 benefits: maturity benefit, death benefit and partial withdrawal. Let's first see maturity benefit. The policy matures at the end of the chosen policy term and all the risk cover ceases. You may redeem your balance amount at then the prevailing price of the unit and take the fund value. You can take your fund value at the maturity in periodical installments. Here in this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan, the death benefit can further be classified into 3 types: classic benefit, classic plus benefit and classic waiver benefit. Now let's see classic benefit. In case of life assured unfortunate absence, the nominee will receive the highest of the following. It can be sum assured less all partial withdrawals or fund value or 105% of the total premium paid. Under classic benefit, there is an option called extra life option. Here, along with death benefit as stated in the classic benefit, an additional accidental death benefit equal to sum assured is payable provided death by or due to a bodily injury caused by an accident. Second one is classic plus benefit. In case of the life assured unfortunate demise, the nominee will be paid highest of the following. It can be sum assured plus fund value or 105% of the total premium paid. The third one is classic waiver benefit. In case of the life assured unfortunate demise, the nominee will be paid highest of the following. It can be sum assured or 105% of the total premium paid. In addition, on each future premium due date, a percentage of the original model premium shall be credited to the policyholder's fund value after the deduction of applicable charges. The policy will continue with no risk cover and fund value will be payable on maturity. The last benefit is partial withdrawal. Here, lump sum partial withdrawals from your fund are allowed only after the completion of 5 successful policy years. If you see in this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan, there are 10 fund options available catering to different risk appetite. So, as a policyholder, it is wise to choose the fund option that caters to your financial goals and your risk appetite. Since this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh Plan is a ULIP plan, there are various charges in this plan. The first one is premium allocation charge. It depends on the premium amount and the mode of payment. In the initial years, the percentage of premium allocation charge will be higher. From the 6th policy year onwards, the percentage is constant through the policy term. It ranges between 1 to 9%. The third one is policy administration charge. The policy administration charge subject to a cap of rupees 500 per month. If you see from year 1 to 5, under single premium amount payment, 0.12% of a single premium per month is being charged. Whereas under regular or limited premium payment, there is no policy administration charge. If you see from 6 years and above, under single premium payment, 0.07% of single premium per month increasing to 5% per annum each policy anniversary, whereas in regular limited premium amount 0.35% month of the annualized premium, increasing 5% per annum on each policy year. The fourth one is mortality and other risk benefit charge. If you see here, the mortality charge and the other risk benefit charges are charged for the entire duration of the policy term. The amount of the charge taken each month depends on your age and level of coverage. Fifth one is miscellaneous charge. Charge for any policy alteration request initiated by the policyholder will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. Sixth one is discontinuance charge. The charge depends on the year of discontinuance and your premium. There is no charge from 5th policy year onwards. Seventh one is partial withdrawal charge. There are 4 free partial withdrawal charges in each policy year. Subsequent partial withdrawal will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. If requested through the company's web portal, the policyholder will be charged Rs 25 per request. Eighth one is switching charge. There are 4 free switches in each policy year. Subsequent fund switch requests will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. If requested through the company's web portal, the policyholder will be charged Rs 25 per request. Ninth one and the last charge is also premium redirection charge. There are 4 free premium redirection in each policy year. Subsequent premium redirection requests will attract a charge of Rs 250 per request. If requested through company's web portal, the policyholder will be charged Rs 25 per request. Now let's see the advantages of HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan. The policyholder can avail the settlement option for maturity benefit with periodical installments over a settlement period which may extend up to a maximum of 5 years. Rider option, HDFC Life Income Benefit on Accidental Disability Rider, HDFC Life Critical Illness Plus Rider and HDFC Life Protect Plus Rider can be availed to enhance your base policy cover. Partial withdrawal is allowed after the lock-in period of 5 years. Under the Classic Plus benefit, there is an option to recover both sum assured. Now let's see the potential disadvantages of this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan. There is a lock-in period of 5 years for surrendering and partial withdrawal. There is no loan facility in this policy. The premium is routed to investment after the deduction of various charges. Some of the charges like discontinuance charge, miscellaneous charge, etc. are exclusive to the ULIP products which will affect the yield in the long run. There is no bonus addition in the fund value. Loyalty addition starts only after the completion of 10 policy years. We as policyholder or investor, before choosing any investment plan, it is necessary for us to look into its potential return. For that, we need to look into its IRR analysis. Now let's see the HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan IRR analysis. For this, let us make certain assumptions so comparing it will be easier. There is an investor whose age is 35 years, his policy term is 15 years, premium payment term is 15 years, sum assured is 15 lakh, annualized premium is 1,50,000. Now if you see this benefit illustration is taken from HDFC website and its IRR seems to fall between 1.80% to 5.16%, which is less than bank FD rate. So achieving your financial goals via this plan becomes even more harder. So as investors, we need to look for its alternatives. Now let's see what are the alternatives for HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan which help us achieve our financial goals and also give our family the financial protection they require. Now let us compare this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan with pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS. By that we would come to know whether this plan would be beneficial for us in the long run or not. Let us assume a similar cash flow, by that comparing it will be easier. Here the sum assured is 10 lakh, tenure is 20 years, annual premium is 5,500. The remaining 94,500 can be invested in PPF or ELSS according to policyholders' convenience. Here if you see from this benefit illustration, the pure term insurance along with PPF can generate an IRR of 6.54% and the pure term insurance along with ELSS can generate a return of 10.73%. You see a pure term insurance along with PPF or ELSS both can generate a better return than HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan. If you invest in pure term insurance along with ELSS, then you can get inflation beating return which will be really helpful for you to achieve your financial goals and also give the required financial protection to your family in your unfortunate absence. Now let's see the final verdict on this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan. Here the policyholder has the flexibility in choosing the death benefit and the fund option. Surrendering and partial withdrawal can be done post lock-in period. There is no loan option available in this policy. Since there are various charges in this policy, this will significantly reduce the potential return. So as policyholder or investor, we should remember one thing. Any policy or investment vehicle that offers dual benefit to the investors will not be beneficial in the long run. So choose your investment vehicle wisely. A detailed analysis on this HDFC Life Sampoorn Nivesh plan is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.